Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You!
Say a command or say help.
I have a camera! I have a camera, you f***ing idiot! I have a camera! I have a camera!
Type of destination, address, intersection, place of interest, or contact. Say address, intersection, place of interest, or contact. For faster access to destinations, say find address, followed by the full address like this. Find address 123 Main Street, Atlanta.
I have a camera right here!
POI.
I have a camera!
Business name or category. Find POI, hotels, or find contact.
I have a camera, look!
The contact name, find
You think I'm not a professional driver? I have a camera. It's right here. It's recording everything you're doing.
That car ran away. I am on the back road. What the? Stupid.
Makeup on the way. Down to the XL. A little more than ordinary. Made it look all you broke. I'm the judge and jury. I don't want it. I'm the one. Y'all my entertainment fascinated. Because it's so hilarious. Little girl under my skin.
Wow. If you weren't on the phone, you'd be able to see that was red.
Jesus.
Holy shit, you
2 in 1.
Oh, of course. Oh, yeah. That was good.
The medical industry has is not okay, and should never be minimized in the sense of, well, statistically it's just so.
God damn.
You know, if you look at any other product's liability, it's taken in.
Cops get them too. Instant karma.
Stress-free way of life? Look no further. The Rivers Senior Living Community could be the right place for you. Book your free tour today.
Holy shit! What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let me tell you how to judge the quality of the jewelry you're buying.
It's easier than you think.
All you have to do is read the warranty. Most stores offer a 5-year warranty.
Get out of here, asshole.
Lifetime.
No driving the lane because you're lost.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.